Hi and welcome to my YouTube channel. Don't forget to subscribe and follow me on Instagram for more interesting tips and tutorials. And don't forget to smash that bell button not to skip my new tutorials.
Hi and welcome back to my channel. In previous video I showed you how to create outline using wire and red thick thread. In this lesson I will show you gold work, how you can work with soft metal wire to decorate your flower. Let's start. First of all, I will take a beading thread. I will make a knot on the thread. It's important to work with single thread. I will secure it and I will start from the top and going all the way down. Now take your soft wire and cut it into small pieces. Start to sew them one by one in different directions. Now I will start to add red color to my flower. Few spots here and there to make it more alive and interesting. I will blend it with gold. As you can see, I sew on my metal wire in different directions. Now I will add soft metal wire. I will add it here and there, just in between already existing wire on my flower, and I will just pull . This is Goldwork technique. Using this technique you can create beautiful brooches and beautiful embroidery on your sweaters or jumpers. In my next tutorial I will show you how to embroider with sequins and threads. Thank you for watching this video. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel, to like this video and comment below if you have any questions. See you in my next tutorials. Bye!